gap. Three letters word. Here, one letter to another letter, there is a gap. You are observing now? One letter to another letter, there is a gap. Suppose I will write all these three letters only in some other fashion. I am using all the three. G, A, P. All three letters are there now here. Will it give any meaning? Is there any clarity? Can we read that one? See the importance of that gap. If you take a little gap between one letter to another letter only, we will get the clarity. It gives the correct meaning. Okay. Now the same letters, I will write G here, I will write A here, and I will write P here. Can you read this one as a gap? Right?
Proper gap.
Correct. Improper gap. Suppose if you take a long gap between these three letters, will it give the any meaning? So reasonable time it is required. We shall go to our practical example. Suppose the customer comes, he wants some solutions from you people. If the gap is too big, what the purpose of doing it? See, that gap should be very reasonable. Practically, if you quote that one, any decision, it should have a reasonable gap. Then only the clarity will be there. If that doesn't contain the gap between in these things, it will not give any clarity. It will not meaningful also. We cannot read that one. If you want to read, understand any word, so minimum gap should be there, but the gap should not be too large. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಮುಂದಿನ ವಾರ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಮುಂದಿನ ವಾರ 15 ದಿವಸ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಇದು ಬನ್ನಿ, ಅದು ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we are going to lose that one. Not that because every time I am linking to our practical thing, that is happening. Not only this one, even in our personal life also, if you take this gap in our own fashion, we are losing some of our relationships also. The gap should be very, very reasonable. That's why, though it is not there, we found that we wanted to talk about the gap. This is not there. We have created how to explain this gap and how to this one bring this one as a management subject. Suppose now we are breathing and breathe out. Okay, in breathing, the gap between breathing and breathe out is very, very important. You might not observe that. ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಉಸಿರು ಬಂದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಉಸಿರು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ to get out or to get in, anything required energy. What this gap will do, it will create an energy for the next of your action. Happened in that gap. That is my focus. What is happening in that gap? Why that gap is required for every activity? What happens if you observe that gap? That is my today's focus. Now, what exactly this gap? GAP. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ಗೆ ಗೆಟ್ ಅಬ್ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಪವರ್. Get absolute power. That power, that what I was told between every action, if you take that gap, it will create some energy. That power it will create. We have to allow our body or something to create that power in it. Without the power, if you jump into a conclusion, definitely it is going to reversal. I know that this duster is there. I know that. It is physically available. I am seeing that. I want that duster in my hand. Suppose I will ask Niranjanji, get that duster. So one is availability of physically availability of that duster, and Niranjan, you get that duster. There will be two things. One, it should be available, and somebody has to get that one. If you get in my hand, then it will come to in my hand. It will come to in my hand. This is get. What is that you have to get? Absolute power. Where is that power? We will see that one. Get absolute power is our gap. Got it? Now, see, to get this one, for example, Niranjan pocket I want this mobile. I know that this is available. If it is not available, I cannot get it. First, what we have to ensure, that should be available. ಈಗ ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ರು ಮೇಡಮ್ ನವರು ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಏನೋ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ 1 ಕೋಟಿ ಯಾವುದೊಂದು ಜಗದ್ಗುರು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್. I have to, only thing is I have to get it. To get that one, what is the power is required ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ನಿರಂಜನ್ ಸರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಈ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಗೆಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್, ಇದು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಡಸ್ಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಸರ್ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವೇ ತಂದಿರೋದಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ he has spent some 14,000, 15,000, 20,000 rupees. Will he get just like that? ನಿರಂಜನ್ ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಂತ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಟ್ವೈಸ್. ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್, ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡು ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಸೋ ಈಸಿಲಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಡಸ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ಸರ್ ನೀವೇ ತಂದಿರೋದು ನನಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು, ನನಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿರಂಜನ್ ಮೈ ಗಿವ್. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫೇವರೇಟ್, ಅವ್ರ ವೈಫ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು, ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ. ಇದು ವೈಫ್ ಬೇರೆ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು, ಅವ್ರು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರ, ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್, ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡು? ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡು? ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನನಗೆ ಅದು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಜಗದ್ಗುರು ಹತ್ರ 1 ಕೋಟಿ ಅಲ್ಲ 10 ಕೋಟಿ ಇದೆ, ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 50 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಗ್ರಾಮ ಪಂಚಾಯತಿ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ, ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಪುಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಇನ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್. ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಯು ನೋ ದಟ್ ಒನ್, ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ನೋ ದರ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್. ಹೌ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್. We have to put our sincere efforts. Efforts का पहले और एक वर्ड डालना, sincere efforts तो डालने का है, नहीं तो कुछ भी हमारे पास आएगा नहीं इसका. That is more important. Then I will put the efforts. I will work hard. 24 hours I will work hard. But I don't have the capacity or capability. ಈಗ ಗ್ರಾಮ ಪಂಚಾಯತಿ ಅವರ ಹತ್ರ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಗೆಟ್ ಅಬ್ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. I made ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು 10 ಸಲ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಬಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿನ್ ಡನ್. ವೈ? It is my capacity how to convince that fellow and grab that account opening for him. We should have that talent. That capacity you should possess. We can make the efforts. Only making efforts will not give the results. We should have the capability and the capacity of convincing that person also. If that is not there, even if you put the efforts also, the things are results. It will not come into picture. Then, I should have the confidence. Yes, absolutely. That is there. I am getting it. I have got the efforts. I have got the capacity. I have got the capability and the confidence. That is inner आवाज क्या बोल रहा है इसमें? inner आवाज तो आना चाहिए इसका. It should come from inside. If somebody tells us, yes, CMGB ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ